everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about black beans, and I've got some quick tips and ideas for you on ways to use black beans. First of all, if you want to use dried black beans that you've cooked and you don't want to bother with cooking them all the time because it does take a bit of effort, you could cook a pound or two at one time. When they are done cooking, you drain them off and then maybe fill that pot up with some fresh cold water to chill them down really quickly. Drain it off really well and then scoop them into freezer bags or freezer containers of your choice in whatever increment amounts you want. And then you'll have plenty of black beans available whenever you need them. They're ready to go. How about making a simple salad with black beans by combining your cooked black beans with celery, bell peppers, tomatoes, and your favorite spicy dressing, whatever that is. You can serve it on its own, you can put it on a bed of greens, or even on a bed of a cooked grain of your choice. You can make a quick taco by filling shells with cooked black beans, greens of your choice, chopped tomatoes, avocado slices, onions, and any other vegetables that you want. Top it with a little cilantro, maybe a sprinkle of cheese, a drizzle of some lime juice, and maybe a little bit of sour cream or cashew cream if you want. How about making a black bean hummus by blending a can of black beans or maybe a couple cups of the black beans that you cooked and put in the freezer. Blend it with a little tahini or avocado, a little bit of lime, chili powder, and garlic to taste. Make it your way. How about adding some cooked black beans to a stuffed baked potato with whatever other ingredients you wanted to add to that? How about using black beans in a burrito in place of refried beans? You can make an easy dip by layering some black beans with guacamole, diced tomatoes, onions, and some chopped cilantro. You can make a black bean salsa by combining some cooked black beans with diced tomatoes, red onions, chopped jalapeno pepper, and chopped cilantro. Add a little lime juice and salt to taste. Let it sit for 20 minutes for the flavors to blend and enjoy them with some tortilla chips. How about stuffing a baked sweet potato with a mixture of black beans, chopped onions, corn, and diced tomatoes? Flavor that with some cumin, chili powder, cilantro, and lime juice, and place the mixture in your baked sweet potato. If you want, you could top that with some cheddar cheese and maybe a spoonful of some plain yogurt or sour cream or cashew cream. How about making a black bean and walnut lettuce wrap? In a bowl, you could combine some cooked black beans with some chopped walnuts, a little paprika, chili powder, cumin, chopped onion, diced tomatoes, any other vegetables that you want. Throw in some lime juice, maybe a little cheese, guacamole, sour cream, and or salsa. Spoon that into some large lettuce leaves or either other greens that you want that are large enough to handle it. Wrap it up and enjoy. Well, I do hope these tips give you some ideas for something a little different to do with black beans. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.